It's Instructor Allison. I'm here again. I think maybe let me use this mic so that my voice can come up clearly. All right, let's do this mathematics. It appears very difficult, right? Don't worry. I'm going to make it very simple. All right, in this video, I'm going to simplify this using some sort of techniques that make sense a lot. Now, look at the expression. Show that x is equal to 2. That is to say the answer is 2 already. The value of x is 2 already. And then this is a conditional statement. If 4 to the power of x is equal to 8x, how can we be able to solve this to the point where we now observe that x is equal to 2? Can you be able to do it? Pause the video right now and then give it a go. All right, that's fine. Let's walk through this problem together. The solution to this equation or this expression we are having here is an equation, is this. Now, looking at this, I can solve this in two methods, but I just want to go straight to the point. It's just an approach that you would want to appreciate. Now, let's give it a go. I will first of all take the logarithms to both sides of the equation. So there I will have the logarithms of 4 to the power of x equals the logarithms of 8x. Whatever you're doing to the left hand of the equation, you have to do that to the right part of the equation. So I'm adding log to both sides of the equation, and here obeys power law of logarithms. What do we mean by power law? Let's look it down here. If I have the logarithms of x to the power of a base b, this a can come in front of this logarithm, become a log x to base b. Yeah, that's power law of logarithm. So let's apply that same method in this case. So here I will have x log 4 equal to the logarithm of 8. Here I can separate this logarithm of 8 plus logarithm of x. According to product law of logarithms, this is 8 multiplied by x. So if I have this, what do we call it? We call this, what's that name? It's the model. Yeah. The model to this particular expression is that. How did I get this? This is the model. If I have the logarithms of m to base a plus the logarithms of n to base a, what happened to it? Of course, you observe that because you're adding, then you have to multiply this. So it becomes the log of mn to base a. The bases are common. Take one of them. So if it is in this way, it can transform it to this way. So if I have it like this, I can transform it to this way. If I have it this way, I can transform it to this way. Does that make sense to you? Of course it should. Okay, let's finalize this expression by saying that this 4 can still be expressed as 2 to the power of 2. Similarly, this 8 can be expressed as 2 to the power of 3 plus the log of x. We're making progress, right? Okay, at this point we can still transform this. It's still obeying this power law. So if this 2 is coming to the front of the logarithm, we have 2x. 2 is coming to multiply by this. The log of 2 equal to 3 is coming back. 3 log 2 plus log x. All right, we are having 2x log 2, 3 log 2. Log 2 is common. Let's bring this to this part of the board, or the part of the equation, which is log 2 minus 3. Log 2. This will be equal to the log of x. All right, this makes a lot of sense. I've forgotten using my mic. Okay, let's continue with the mic. All right, at this point, I observe that the log 2 are common, so I'll have to factor out the log 2. You like the microphone? It's very new. All right, so in factoring this log 2, what should I do? Let me use this part of the board. All right, how do we factor it? Log 2 is common, so I will take this particular expression, 2x. What's happening to this marker? Let's change the one. We have a lot of them here. This can serve the purpose. So this becomes 2x minus 3. You can put it in a parenthesis, then log 2 is common to both sides. So have log 2 there. Does that make sense? All right, because if 2x minus 3 multiply, if log 2 multiplies by 2x, I will have this. If this same log 2 multiplies by minus 3, I will still have this. So it's the same, all right? So this is equal to log x. Finally, this log is going to cancel out with this log. Yeah, because what we are having on the right hand side is everything here is multiplication. This is multiplying by log 2. And this, yeah, you can cancel out and we have equal to separating them. What is left is, you have 2 here, you can bring it here, 2x minus 3 equal to what is left here is x. We are making progress. 2 times 2x, that is 4x, minus 2 times 3 is 6 equal to x. All right, let's take like terms. Take this minus 6 across, it changes to plus. So we have 4x. Take this across, it changes to minus x equal to 6. Wow, we're almost at the time of the program. So let's do something. Yeah, that thing we're going to do is what you know already. What is that? Can you predict that? Yeah, that is it. You're correct. 4x minus x will give us 3x equals 6. Dividing both sides by 3 so that we'll have the value of our x. This can easily cancel out with this. Therefore, x is equal to 6 divided by 3 give us 2. And this is the solution to this problem. Do you like it? Drop it. No, drop it. That comment, drop it down. Yes, do that right now and like the video. Thank you for subscribing. If you've not subscribed, if you're new to this channel, just hit the subscribe button. Peace.